Let's practice a kinetic energy problem. The equation for kinetic energy is equal to 1 half mv squared, where m stands for mass and v stands for velocity. The problem says a car with a mass of 1200 kilograms is moving at a velocity of 10 meters per second. Calculate the kinetic energy of the car. Let's first make a table of all the data that's given. The problem says that the mass is 1200 kilograms, which means m is equal to 1200 kilograms. It also says that there's a velocity of 10 meters per second. So v is equal to 10 meters per second. Now that we have all this information, let's go ahead and plug the numbers into the kinetic energy equation. So now we have Ke equals 1 half times 1200 times 10 squared. Let's simplify this. 1 half times 1200 is 600, and 10 squared is 100. Don't forget to square the 10. This is a common mistake. Now we have Ke equals 60,000. And the units for energy are joules, so let's put a J for joules right here. The final answer is 60,000 joules.